Today I'm in Bowling Green, Kentucky. CSX grain train just passed not too long ago, J107. So here we are in another abandoned train track here. You can see over here. I don't want to get too far because there's a bunch of snakes and stuff. But you can see it's all covered up here. I don't think CSX uses. You got the over here. You got the stop, dismount sign there. You got the crossbuck here. So it's not really intact. A part of the like this all is nice, but this is not. So I don't believe CSX uses it anymore. But they still use this line though. So, all right, guys. This is an abandoned line in Springfield. I mean, not Springfield.